all of a sudden, just here on the spot, I'm getting Kathmandu vibes.
Kathmandu vibe.
Do you feel it?
Yes, I do.
Yeah.
For her, that area only. Look at that traffic.
Yeah. Welcome back to
Thailand.
on the work side.
And they're already cooking street food. Look at that. We woke up late today. We feel battered. A lot of walking for the past 1.5 day. Oh my god.
Traffic, sorry.
It's really taking a toll on our bodies right now. So, as you can see, there's no proper sidewalk. It's quite, it's called, it's quite narrow. No, it's not that narrow, but still, it feels narrow because there's no pedestrian walking. Yeah. For this morning, our agenda is to look for a laundry shop because apparently Silom doesn't have a laundry shop. Well, they have dry cleaning nearby, but doesn't really have a laundry shop. So the nearest one is in Sala Daeng BTS, and we're headed to that area. Oh, is this meat? Sawadee-kap. How much? Yeah, just one? How much? It doesn't say. 12?
Okay,
12. Just one? Okay. Oh wow, look at this. So what do you call this thing? It smells like meat. He doesn't speak English much, but yeah, we were able to purchase somehow. Interesting. I thought it would be pure meat. There's rice inside and some kind of essence. I think it's lemongrass. Lemongrass rice. I think this is pork. It's so hard.
It's pork and cabbage.
Oh, I thought it's lemongrass.
I taste that too.
Oh, okay.
That's good. Today is just do whatever day.
It's exploration day.
Yeah. Today is the hangover day. Do whatever day.
Wash dry fold laundry service. We're here. ST Laundry. I guess we kilo it by this place. Claw machines, Pokemon, Disney princesses. I don't remember this guy. That's cute. It's a Starbucks with loft.
This is a tiny train.
We're having again the sweet potato bun. It's really nice. And some ice cold brew. Alright. Donkey?
Still playing Christmas music.
It's still Christmas in Thailand. Still playing Christmas music. Well, they did install a Christmas tree. That's moving. Oh, dorayaki. Sawadee-kap. Oh yeah. But where is the dorayaki? Is this one? Dorayaki. Oh, it's a nice. It's in a box. It's a gift. But do they sell by piece? Oh, they do sell it by piece. It's 65. Do you wanna taste one? And dorayaki?
The butter one.
The butter one. The
Let's
dorayaki.
try one.
Yes. Oh, one piece. 55 baht. Khap. We decided to have it now because I am insisting.
So
It looks like bibingka. What's it inside? it?
There's pure cream inside.
Pure cream. And
This
what's
is cream and this is butter and there's like a bean paste.
It's a red bean paste.
Wow.
Could you save me half of it?
No.
Okay, dorayaki, butter dorayaki. Well cooked. That's really good. Finish.
Today we're really eating healthy.
We cannot always go unhealthy stuff, so we went for Farm Factory. So hungry right now. Testing the pork rib. Dip it. Mushroom sauce. Itadakimasu. Lunch is finished. It was a light lunch, so we can definitely have more after this. Maybe a coffee again. We're heading back to the hotel after all of this walk.
And the best part is our hotel is just on the opposite side of the street.
Oh yeah. Cheongnonsi Station, and other side is Haven't Met Hotel.
Yeah. Such a convenient hotel.
So beside our hotel is this nice little coffee shop called Brioche, and we're here to try it. It smells great in here. Oops.
It looks almost like lemon meringue.
Yuzu Tart. You wanna try this
I don't
one?
know what's inside.
So what's inside then?
Don't know.
They don't. What's inside?
Inside is yuzu.
This is Yuzu Tart and a blueberry tart. Wow, looks amazing. So, it's ice americano and a little dessert. Ta-da! Look
Okay,
at
so I
that.
think this is lemon meringue, but they say it's yuzu. So
Yuzu.
I don't know. For me, this screams lemon meringue, so I'm going to tell you exactly what this tastes like. Yeah, this is lemon meringue. It's lemon meringue and it's delicious.
So,
She said it is their best seller.
this is the best seller, the Yuzu Tart.
Yes.
It's basically a lemon meringue as per Fafa.
A few moments later.
Sup? It's traffic in Thailand. Hello, say hi.
Hi.
So we go straight from Cheongnonsi Station, and it's a connecting bridge to this other building that contains other facilities like a food court, few restaurants. Sawadee krap. So Fafa already bought tickets online, and now he has to show them that we already have the tickets. It's tourist season, so it's best for you to buy tickets online and get a fast-paced express entry.